John Deere 90/20 series complete cabs. We don't sell many of these, and the purpose of this video is just to show the cab. I'm going to show you what I found interesting today. So we were pulling the control module for the hydraulics for the scraper high flow kit, and I was checking to see if we had any wiring harnesses in inventory. And the prices on this kind of shocked me. There's some $13,000 harnesses. There's some $6,000 harnesses. And so we inventoried some. We check them over, make sure that they don't have any nicks or burrs. Give them a 6-month warranty. We can help you out. Let us know.